Hey everyone, welcome back today. We're diving into a fascinating topic, how to repair your gut health without relying on probiotics. While probiotics are a popular solution, they aren't the only way to restore a healthy gut. There are plenty of effective strategies you can use to nurture your microbiome and achieve long-term results. Let's get started. Why gut health matters. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's the cornerstone of your overall health. A balanced gut microbiome supports better digestion and nutrient absorption, enhanced immune function, improved mental clarity and mood regulation, reduced inflammation throughout the body. When your gut is out of balance, you may experience bloating, fatigue, skin issues, and even mood swings. That's why maintaining a healthy gut is so important. Tips to repair gut health without probiotics. 1. Eat a fiber-rich diet. Fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive. Focus on a variety of fiber sources such as fruits like apples, bananas, and berries, vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and spinach, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice, legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. 2. Incorporate prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed good bacteria. Examples of prebiotic-rich foods include garlic and onions, asparagus and leeks, bananas and apples, chicory root and dandelion greens. 3. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Sugar and processed foods can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria and promote the growth of harmful microbes. Try limiting sugary snacks and beverages, replacing refined grains with whole grains, choosing minimally processed whole foods. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water supports digestion and helps maintain the mucosal lining of your gut. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and adjust based on your activity level and climate. 5. Eat fermented foods. Even if you're skipping probiotic supplements, fermented foods naturally contain beneficial bacteria. Try adding sauerkraut or kimchi miso or tempeh yogurt, alternatives like coconut or almond yogurt. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can harm your gut by disrupting the balance of your microbiome. Incorporate stress-reducing practices such as meditation or mindfulness exercises. Regular physical activity like yoga or walking, journaling, or spending time in nature. 7. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for gut health. Poor sleep patterns can negatively impact your microbiome. To improve sleep, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens before bedtime. Create a calming nighttime routine. Final thoughts. Improving gut health without probiotics is entirely possible when you focus on nourishing your body with the right foods, staying hydrated, managing stress, and prioritizing sleep. Remember, a healthy gut is a key pillar of overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Let us know in the comments about your favorite gut-friendly practices. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.